So another beautiful elevator today on the before fixtures. Today on the 19th of July 2023, and here is Johanneksentie, Johannesvägen 4 sticks B, and the side address is Starkapa ja Kotoskarpskyttegatan 13. And we will go to the stick section also, and it was built in 1954 with the residential wing dates back to the 1910s, but we have to check exactly when it was built.
Yeah.
Modernized 1984 with AP8 fixtures, it also says it here. It will be 70 years old in the next year, 2024, and residential will be 40 years old, and the number is H574, and it deserves the rights. It's going to be inspected in 2025. It's unit 1 on in America's body, Helsinki has force. Also money on Finland. Also beautiful, I like this post bar function house down here.
Same. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't believe it has memory, but you can check it.
Inspekteerpakkevijs dat met een paar Kone.
Probably no memory.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't have it. It's neighbors.
Yeah.
Let's go to the staircase. Or is it the staircase? No, it's big.
Yeah.
We'll go to the staircase. Thank you very much for watching.
That's